Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Thank you to Klaiyi Hair for sponsoring today's video. I will be styling their 24-inch Kinky straight V-part wig, which you see here. This was my first time ever installing a V-part wig, and y'all, let me tell you, it is the truth. I cannot wait for you all to see the final results. So this is a very full wig naturally, but I want to calm down that fullness just a little bit before I put in some wand curls. So I quickly went through and detangled this hair. This hair detangles so easily, y'all, and the hair is so soft. And I went through and did just one pass of the flat iron throughout the entire head. My goal was not to get the hair bone straight because I wanted some of the texture to remain. So that's why I am doing just a quick pass, nothing too extra. It is amazing to me how straight this wig is getting without me even trying. So it probably does have a very pretty pressed out look. This wig is 150% density, so I recommend styling it in sections, flat ironing it in sections, doing whatever you gotta do in sections because it comes with a lot of hair. This is a very full wig, which I can appreciate. So here are my final flat iron results. It probably took me about 30 to 45 minutes to flat iron this entire wig. I think it looks very pretty just like this, just in a straightened state. But like I said, I want to go in with some wand curls, so that is what we are going to do. But first I need to put my wig on. I am applying this wig on my 3 or 4 week old straightened hair, which I think is perfect. It's a better match for the wig itself. But first I need to part out the hair that will be used for the V part. So that's what I'm doing here. The perks of having a V-part wig is that you really don't need that much hair left out. So that's just even less manipulation on your natural hair, which is always a plus. Less manipulation is always a good thing. I had originally put my hair back in a bun, but I want the wig to lay flat, so I'm just smoothing my hair down to make it even flatter. And instead of doing a bun, I'm gonna keep it in that low pony and then just pin it up. You can also go in and braid your hair down, but I didn't feel like it. I don't have a lot of hair, so I can get my hair pretty flat on its own. Once you've got your hair all prepped and ready to go, you can put your wig on. This wig comes with a lot of clips and combs, which allows you to get this wig to be as snug as possible. I didn't use all of the clips that it came with. I used the comb in the very back of the wig, and then I used one clip on each side of my leave out. This wig was a little bit too big for me, so I did have to go in and really tighten that adjustable strap in the back to really keep the wig snug, and that did help for me. So now I'm giving the hair a final brush before we go in and apply these wand curls. I also pinned my leave out of my way. I have no intentions on applying any heat to that area or curling the area, so I just want to get it out of my way in the meantime. I do not remember the name of the barrel that I'm using, but it came with this 8-in-1 wand set that I received years ago. If you've been following me, you remember this wand set. I've still been using it to this day. But I am using this like wonky looking barrel to give me just very loose and more barely uneven wonky curls, if that makes sense. that's the best that I can explain it. Mermaidy, beachy, it's a little bit of everything curls. And I'm primarily getting it focused towards the end of the hair. The hair on this wig holds a curl so well, y'all. I didn't have to use hairspray. It didn't drop as I was continuing to style the rest of my hair. Even days after styling the wig, the curls were still in. Like, this hair holds on to a curl, and I love it for that. So after curling, I am taking out my little bit of leave out to get ready to blend. If you couldn't tell already, this wig comes in a more natural brown color. I have naturally very black hair, so you can dye this wig to match, but I just figured since I wasn't leaving out that much hair, it wasn't very necessary. I'll probably go in later and dye the actual wig itself, but I just didn't find it that necessary because I was not leaving out that much hair. I didn't want to put too much direct heat on my hair because it is coming from just being flat ironed, so I did put the wand curl temperature all the way down, and I originally was going to go in and curl it, but I changed my mind and I'm just using the wand curl to kind of just flatten my hair at the parts, if that makes sense, because I just didn't want to use that much heat. After that, I went in and laid my edges a little bit, because when your edges look cute, your style looks cute. So that's what I'm doing here. Because I styled this inner side part, I am only focusing on the hair that's actually showing. So I'm not going to apply edge control to my edges that are on the other side of my head. That would be a waste of product, so we not finna do all that. So yeah, this is basically how the hair turned out, y'all. I barely have any leave out, and I think it looks so natural. I think this style is so pretty. I think this hair is so pretty. For those of you who are interested in trying out a V-part wig from Klaiyi Hair, I will have their links down below in the description, as well as a direct link to the hair that I am wearing in this video. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Please take care of yourselves, be kind to yourselves, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.